Streetlights crying on the windshield glass. Every drop feels like a memory I can't outrun. Your name still echoes in the thunder crash. I'm drowning in the silence when the night comes. My jacket smells like heartbreak and cheap perfume. You ghost it riding shotgun in my pain. I swore I'd heal, I swore I'd find my truth, but every road I drive leads back to rain. I try to burn your letters, try to drink you gone, but the storm inside my chest keeps holding on. The rain won't leave me alone. It keeps falling like you never let me go. Every tear from the sky is a piece of my soul breaking down. I'm losing control. I keep praying for sun, but I'm stuck in the cold. Oh, the rain, leave me alone. Oh, 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 oh. My voice is shaking like these broken streets. I talk to God, but even heaven feels close. Your love was fire, now it's memory. A slow burning ache that won't let me grow. I see you smiling every puddle I pass. Hear you laugh in the siren song. I keep chasing what we used to have, but it's clear now, baby, you're really gone. I built these walls, but they're made of dust. One thought of you, and they crumble to rust. The rain won't leave me alone. It keeps falling like it never let me go. Every tear from the sky is a piece of my soul breaking down. I'm losing control. I keep praying for sun, but I'm stuck in the cold. Oh, the rain won't leave me alone. Oh. If love is a lesson, oh, I failed the test. If healing is time, I'm stuck in a mess. I scream your name, but I'm out of breath. I'm holding my heart like it's all I got left. Tell me how to forgive, tell me how to forget, 'cause every drop feels like the day you left. The rain won't leave me alone. It's a hurricane inside my bones. I tried to be strong, but I'm tired of being bold. When my heart feels shattered and cold, I keep begging for peace, but I'm paying the toll. Oh, the rain won't leave me alone. So let it fall, let it wash my pain. If I'm gonna break, let me break in the rain.